In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use a Raci framework for project management. To follow along, open Notion and navigate to your project management board where you can see all tasks. This kind of board is a practical place to apply a Raci framework because Raci works best when it is tied to real tasks and real owners, not a separate document that nobody updates. Once you are on the page, click into the project management board so you are working inside the main workspace. Next, select the board view. The board layout makes it easier to manage responsibility and accountability because you can see work grouped by status, and you can quickly spot bottlenecks where decisions or approvals are missing. Now take a moment to move through the workflow columns. Click on Backlog to focus on items that have not been started. This is a good place to clarify who is responsible for doing the work and who is accountable for the outcome before anything begins. Then click on Pick Up Next. This helps you confirm that the next set of tasks has clear ownership, and that the right people are informed before work starts. After that, click on In Progress. This is where Raci prevents confusion day to day. When tasks are active, it should be obvious who is doing the work, who needs to be consulted for input, and who only needs updates. Next, click on In Review. Reviews often get delayed when accountability is unclear, so this view helps you make sure the approver and key stakeholders are defined. Then click on Hide Description. This cleans up the board so you can scan tasks faster, which is helpful when you are checking whether responsibilities are assigned consistently across multiple cards. Next, click on Canceled to review anything that has been stopped. Even canceled work can teach you where roles were unclear, or where too many people were consulted and decisions stalled. Now click on Target Dates. Dates add structure, and when dates slip, having RACI clarity makes it easier to know who drives the fix and who needs to be notified. Finally, click on My Tasks to narrow down to what you personally own, and then switch back to All Tasks to review the entire project again with roles and ownership in mind. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.